Riri namba ya andu aria makoretwo magikua o muthenya kurumirira mitino ya barabara ithite na mbere kwambatira. Matereba NIMORITIO gukorwo mari na wigirereki na makiria kurumirira mawatho ma barabara. Na kuona mambura ma thigukuu ya Christmas mari hakuhi, ruhonge rwa kunyabara wigirereki barabara-ini NTSA rugite rugukorwo ruri maitho aria manyitikana makiagarara mawatho ma barabara magitacukirio makinya ma kiwatho.
We wanted to do it to check all, especially the heavy commercial vehicle drivers and the public sector vehicles, the public transport sector vehicles. We wanted to have them retested, re-examined, so that we know, you are tested about 15 years ago, 20 years ago. We don't know what has happened in between. Maybe you have lost one eye. Now you are a mono-eyed person. You have other things have happened to your body, and you cannot be able. You have some maybe some lifestyle diseases, some chronic diseases that can affect your judgment as a driver.
Kuringana na MURUGAMIRIRI wa ruhonge rwa NTSA Paul Posh, maafitha a ruhonge ruru marikoragwo wira mathaa mothe thiini wa icigo ciothe bururi-ini, muoroto ari gutigirira namba ya mitino iri handikaga ihinda-ini riri ria mambura ni yacoka thi.
Those who will go to festivities and start drinking and driving, the police and the officers from NTSA will be all over the roads day and night. We do not want to lose any life this time. We must stop these crashes. We must control the problems that are normally occur during this kind of time on our roads.
Kuringana na ruhonge ruru, andu matanyihiire 4,000 ni makuite kurumirira mitino ya barabara mwaka uyu. Thirikari ikiuga mubango wayo ni kunyihia ikuũ ici na gicunji kia 50 harĩ igana gukinyiria mwaka wa 2030.
We look forward to seeing if we can reduce that this particular time, the remaining 2 months or 1.5 months. If Kenyans can become more responsible, we can reduce these things. It takes you and I. It takes every person using the road, the pedestrian, the cyclists, the motorists that we are having on the road. If they all took responsibility and behaved responsibly, we will reduce these figures.
Maya mokite riri anyitite miangi sekta-ini ya ukui mathiete na mbere guteta makiuga atwarithia a boda nio macagagira gicunji kiria kinene muno kia mitino ya barabara makiendwo onao gukorwo na wigirereki.
Motorcyclists and the pylon passengers, they contribute about over 70%. And therefore, today, as we remember, we call upon all of us, every citizen of this country. We are all road users. We are pedestrians at any particular time. We are, we use borders, we use vehicles. We call upon all of us to be careful.
Usalama ikue barabarani na inaanza na mimi na wewe. It cannot work if we are not consciously putting in a lot of effort to consciously tell ourselves, our children, and anybody who works with us that we need to be safe on the roads.
Hadwini Hakameme TV, Jitagogena Wawaduro.